Hello everyone. My name is Eryn. I'm the creator of Danganronpa: Despair's Revenge, and today I'm joined by.
Nix,
Hello, Nix. Are you a VA writer or artist for the project?
I am a VA. I voice act for the ultimate drummer, Abiko Kamin.
Sweet. And then before we start talking about your character, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Um, I'm just starting in voice acting. This is my first official role. Um, I'm basically in any type of queer media. I am like here and there when it comes to just like any type of like shows and like games and stuff.
Don't worry, I'm eyeing up that alien stage profile photo I'm staring at right now, so
Yes.
okay. So you voice Kamin Abiko. She is our ultimate drummer. Is there anything in specific about your character that you really like?
I just love her energy and just like how she presents herself. She's just like very like in your face, like this is how I'm gonna do it, and I don't care what you say about it.
He goes, rah!
Yeah,
Fuck
exactly.
you! But she doesn't go fuck you. That's Okamura's job.
This is true.
Okay. Um Besides Kamin, is there any other characters that speak out to you at all that you want to learn more about?
Definitely the pro tag, the ultimate hacker. I forgot her name,
Tachi
but just
Tadako.
like Tachi Tago. I feel like
Yeah.
she's going to be a very interesting pro tag for this series, and I wonder how she's going to be compared to other pro tags of the past.
Absolutely. She's so silly. She's the opposite of common. She's not in your face at all. She is very I'm chilling on my own, but I guess I'll fucking lead you guys cuz who the fuck else is going to lead you guys?
Yeah.
um yeah, duh, 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 duh. Guys, I know how to do these interviews. I've done like 15 already.
Yeah, yeah, you're like a pro at this.
I'm a pro at this. Okay. Um I am waiting for um Skittle to the bus so I can do Skittle's interview. But
Mm.
so we're gonna be ending this off. Do you have any last words to tell the people?
I just can't wait for you guys to see this completed in its full. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Yeah, if you want to hear more, I know. Um, if you want to hear more of Nyx's voice, if you want to see more of Common, want to see some of the other characters, then be sure to check out Danganronpa: Despair's Revenge coming to y'all soon. Goodbye, y'all.
Goodbye.